It's that time of year again. Students are back from summer vacation. What did they do? Where did they go? What learning have they done? This year, have your students share their summer experiences through digital storytelling with Pages. Pages is Apple's premier multimedia platform for iPad. It allows students to easily create their own digital book that is enriched with their authentic voice. Students can type their own thoughts, record their own voice, and include their own photos and videos. As an added bonus, every learner has accessibility features easily at hand. When ready, students can share their book with you, their class, and even their parents. Watch your classroom library and student engagement grow. Seeing is believing. Learn all about how to create digital storytelling through Pages.